everyone, welcome back to my channel Lifestyle Gupshup, and today I'm going to share a DIY hair and face mask. Yes, a hair mask, not really, but yes, only one ingredient, and I'm going to use it for both hair and face one at a time. So let me start quickly with my DIY mask. I forgot to say that this topic is being chosen by my Instagram followers. Thank you so much for that. And those who don't follow me on my Instagram, please go to the description box and just check the link. Follow my channel, follow my page over there also. So this is the DIY I'm going to do today. So what is this actually? So quickly I'm going to tell about this first. This is a fenugreek recipe which I'm going to share with you. This is the water of fenugreek which I have soaked. So the preparation I'll tell you. This is like an overnight preparation you can do because you have to make the fenugreek soak very well. So what you have to do is take a very small amount of water, put around 2 to 3 teaspoons of fenugreek in it, boil it for a minute or two and just let it soak for overnight. That is the preparation done. And then what you have to do in the morning, you have to stain, separate water and the fenugreek. This is what it is, the fenugreek water in a spray bottle. Transfer it into a spray bottle that I'm going to use it on my hair, and this is the paste that I'm going to use it as my face mask. So let's get started for the day. So the first is I'm going to spray it all over my hair. Once your hair is done, completely sprayed, leave it for 10 minutes. And now I'm going to start with my mask. Yay! So you can just look how the face and the hair is looking right now. So you can just make out my hair is looking quite glossy and shiny and frizz free too. So this is really making my hair very smooth and straight. You know, it looking really nice for me at least. And your face, you can just see it becomes very soft and moist. So this is how the DIY works for everyone. So let me start with the property of this DIY face mask and your hair spray. So this is for the face mask. I'll tell you first. So for this, the mask what I have applied on my face, you have seen how to remove it also. So the properties are, it gives a good nourishment to your skin, it moisturizes your skin, it gives instant whitening and brightening to your skin, it reduces your blemishes, it also reduces your pigmented skin, it gives you even tone skin with your daily usage. Like weekly once is really recommendable for this. And if you talk about the hair, it you know, the greasiness of your hair during your monsoons, and monsoons are like very much near, and you can see the oily and greasiness on your scalp. So it reduces that, it stops giving that oily and greasiness very soon, and it gives you a good shine. It straights, like you can just see the textures become so smooth and straight, and it also gives you dandruff free scalps. It strengthens your hair structure, It gives a great nourishment to your hair till tip. It reduces your split ends also. So this have a lot of good properties. You can use it weekly once, both on your hair and your face. So this will give you a very good results. As you can see, it is giving good shine to my face also. So yes, this is what the DIY was, and hope you enjoyed this DIY. Let me know in the comment section how you like this DIY, and don't forget to share, like and comment below, and subscribe to my channel. So there is a red little button down there. Please subscribe to my channel and ask your friends and families to subscribe to the same, and I'll be back with some other interesting DIYs and also some review videos in my next upcoming videos. So till then, if you are not following me on my Instagram, please follow my Instagram page that I am going to describe in the description box. Please do follow it and do use this DIY. It gives really a great results, guys. So till then, bye bye, take care, and lots of love.